Are lead magnets effective? How to tell if your lead magnet sucks. Lead generation. What is a lead magnet example? A lead magnet is a marketing term for a free item or service that is given away for the purpose of gathering contact details. For example, lead magnets can be trial subscriptions, samples, white papers, e-newsletters, and free consultations. Marketers use lead magnets to create sales leads. How do you create a lead magnet? We have a gift for you. Keep watching. It's very important to create a lead magnet with your end in mind. What I mean by that is, start by thinking about the offer you want people to buy. This is a specific product or service that you'll sell to a specific group of people. Why does this matter? Because if your lead magnet is not targeted toward an offer, you're just going to have random people signing up for a random lead magnet. And that does nothing for your business. You end up having people on an email list who aren't actually interested in your final offer. What can I offer as a lead magnet? When first starting out in business, a lot of folks struggle to build their email list. Maybe they hear the usual advice about creating a lead magnet. Give something away for free to entice people in. But for some reason, it doesn't work for them. Why? Well, even though giving away something for nothing sounds like the simplest thing ever, it isn't. Some people look at all the guides, downloads, and content they've created and just start randomly giving those away, hoping one will resonate with their customers. But just because you give something away for free, it doesn't mean your customers actually want it. Another way people mess this up is to get into paralysis by analysis. Basically, procrastination while they wait to come up with the perfect lead magnet. Even if they do come up with a perfect idea, they often hesitate. After all, another, more perfect idea might just be around the corner. If you can relate to any of these struggles, I've good news. My buddy Jeff Walker has released a free guide. A simple process you can follow to easily create mouth-wateringly valuable content your customers actually want to click on and download. He'll also show you how you can use this content to boost your authority, become the go-to person in your market, and create paid offers your audience can't wait to get their hands on. It's all packed into his Transformational Value Manifesto, a 39-page, step-by-step playbook for turning cold prospects into lifelong customers. If you're ready to discover the secrets to creating compelling offers, you need to get your hands on this free download while you still can. It's only available for a few more days. Click the link below to claim your free copy of the Transformational Value Manifesto. When you download your guide, you'll also get free access to Jeff's complete launch masterclass. 3 days of live training, where he walks you through his famous product launch formula. That means you get to see him bring the ideas in the Transformational Value Manifesto to life, live. Both the download and launch masterclass are yours for free. All you have to do is click the link below or leave a comment.